842. This is the Scotch Pine, Pinus sylvestris. This is considered a somewhat invasive species in North America. It grows on open meadows, dry land, etc. It can colonize really quite easily. It is also grown as a Christmas tree. It's one of the cheapest Christmas trees because it grows quite fast. And easily identified at maturity when you look up at it and you see that red exfoliating bark. It almost looks like Acer gricium. And I think it actually is quite attractive as the plant ages. You can use it as a, if you want to do a Japanese garden, instead of using Japanese pine, which is slower growing, you could use Scotch pine and train them into the shapes and such that you see in Oriental or Japanese type gardens. Because it's a fairly fast growing plant. When you look at the cones, you see that the cones are very similar to Pinus mugo, which we haven't looked at yet. They're short, squat cones, almost round in shape. And when you look at the needles have got the twist in them, right? And these ones, you should be easily able to twist them back so that the two needles combined almost form a cylinder. They'll have a slight blue tinge to them as well. These ones are probably about 30 years old. Life expectancy is probably about 50 in ideal conditions. So these ones are kind of at their pinnacle here, and probably going to start falling apart in the next few years. You can see some dead on them already. They're very soft wood, so they're susceptible to decay and collapse. Limited use in the landscape because they are somewhat of invasive species and they're not long lived.